Hey home cooks! Today I'm sharing a delightful tropical treat, mango mousse with a crunchy Maria biscuit base. It's simple, elegant, and absolutely delicious. Let's dive right in. First, we need to prepare the base. Take 200 grams of Maria biscuits and crush them into fine crumbs. You can use a food processor or just a rolling pin. Now, mix those crumbs with 100 grams of melted unsalted butter until they're fully combined. Press the mixture into the bottom of a springform pan or dessert cups. Smooth it out with the back of a spoon and chill in the fridge for 30 minutes to set. While that's chilling, let's move on to the mango puree. Peel and puree 2 ripe mangoes in a blender until smooth. Set aside a few tablespoons for garnish if you like. Next, we're making the mousse. Dissolve 2 teaspoons of unflavored gelatin in 1/4 cup of warm water, stirring until completely dissolved. Let it cool slightly. In a mixing bowl, whip 1 cup of chilled heavy cream with 1/4 cup of powdered sugar until soft peaks form. Gently fold in the mango puree, making sure it's well combined. Then add the dissolved gelatin and mix gently but thoroughly. Now it's time to assemble. Pour the mango mousse mixture over the chilled biscuit base, spreading it evenly. Smooth the top with a spatula. Chill in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or until the mousse is firm. For the final touch, garnish with your reserved mango puree, fresh mango slices, or a sprinkle of crushed biscuits. Serve this refreshing mango mousse cold and enjoy every creamy, fruity bite with the satisfying crunch of the Maria biscuit base. Perfect for special occasions or as a sweet ending to a tropical meal. Happy cooking and bon appetit!